You've probably heard the word pentatonic a lot on bass forums and on YouTube videos, and there's good reason for this. The pentatonic scales are perfect for creating bass riffs, licks and fills out of. This is a short video and I'm going to explain exactly what pentatonics are in really simple language. I'm also going to show you how to play the major and minor pentatonic scales on the bass. You can download a free PDF with the 4 pentatonic shapes from this lesson. You can get that by clicking the link below this video in the description. The word penta means 5. So pentatonic scales consist of 5 notes. If you add the root note on the top, then it makes 6 notes. You can start pentatonic scales on any note. We're just going to start them on A for this lesson, just to make it easy for you to understand. But once you know these shapes, you can start them on any root note. This is the minor pentatonic scale starting on A. Okay. So play that shape with me. Start with your first finger on A, the 5th fret of the E string. Okay, you're going to do 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, 3, 4. And come back down again. Okay, so just practice that shape, okay? There's another way of playing it. All we're doing is shifting this C to this position here, okay? So we're going to play it this way. Okay, so you can start on your little finger or your 3rd finger. It doesn't matter on the A. I'll start with my little finger. So we're playing A, C, D, E, G, A. Okay. Shift. Try it with me. 3, 4. Shift. So that's position 1 and 2 of the A minor pentatonic scale. Both positions have got the same notes. It's just useful when you're playing bass lines or different licks. You might want to play it one position might be better or the other position might be better, okay? If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. We'll now look at a major pentatonic. So for this one, start with your 2nd finger on A and we're going to play 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay? 3, 4. Okay? Now, another way to play this, position 2, is sometimes called the forward position because we're moving forward. We can play it like this, so the same notes. So we play A with our 1st finger and we shift 2 frets to B, okay, with our 1st finger also. Okay, try that. 3, 4. So they're the 2 positions for a major pentatonic scale. So practice these 4 shapes. Remember, you can download a PDF with the shapes on it. Practice them until you've got these patterns in your head and then try them starting on different root notes. So I've got other videos explaining what to do with these pentatonic scales. You can check this video out here. Once you get it, you could try and moving it from A up to A here, for example, okay, on the 12th fret of the A string, and you could do the shapes up there. So if you're doing some kind of fills, then you could make a fill out of that shape. Now the minor pentatonic scale works over any chord, major or minor. The major pentatonic scale just works on major chords. Well, I hope this lesson was useful. Let me know what you thought by leaving a comment below. And if you need any other help with scales or music theory, any other areas, then let me know also in the comments. You can really help me out by liking and sharing this video and also subscribing to my channel. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. They're $5. The details are on the screen here, or you can click links in the description. Also, check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got bass courses, a membership, books, merch, loads of stuff. So check that out. That's gbshed.com. Also, if you look in the description below, there are loads of useful links there too. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.